Welcome to Atomic Energy Center School to Tarapur. A school is a place where students acquire knowledge and skills that will eventually help them to find their own place in society. They learn to recognize their strengths and to work together with others. All this takes place here in an encouraging and safe environment. Let us have a look. This is the front face of the school, Atomic Energy Center School to Tarapur. It is situated in BRC Staff Colony of Tarapur, which is in Palghar district of Maharashtra. It was established in 1990. It is registered with Atomic Energy Education Society and the society was registered in 1964. The built-up area of the school is 3000 square meters. It runs the classes from pre-prep to class 10. The present total strength of the school is 1001, 482 girls and 519 boys. 42 number of staff members work here. 13 TGTs, 22 PRTs, 1 principal, 1 vice principal, 1 headmistress, 2 UDCs and 2 work assistants. Along with this, 8 cosmetic staff members are also working here. This is the main entrance gate of the school. One more entrance is there on that side. On the opposite side of the school, there is parking area for staff members and students. Now, as the school is not open for students, there are no vehicles or cycles of students. On both sides of the entrance gate, there are display boards for displaying various informations for the parents and students. Let's get inside. On the side of the main entrance gate, you can see a wash basin is placed. Here, before entering the school, anybody has to first wash their hands. Let's go inside. Here you can see the CCTV camera is there. So the whole school is under CCTV camera surveillance. It is very important for monitoring the activities. Now on this side you can see the hand sanitizer dispenser. One more gate is there inside. Here, before entering the school, anybody has to enter their details before entering the school. On this side you can see the fire extinguisher is kept. It is also placed on other parts of the school. On the front side you can see a beautiful mural of Dr. Homi Jahangir Baba. Here also display boards are there for displaying various information for students. Now as we go this side, here girls toilet is there. Girls toilet is there. It is a spacious, neat and clean toilet. Here separate compartments are there, wash basins are there. Outside the toilet, there is drinking water area with a water filter. Students and other staff members can wash their hands here. Let's go further. This side you can see the wellness room is there and this side exam room. Here our exam in charges are sitting and all the other exam materials are being kept here. Now let's go further. Here you can see one storeroom is there. After that principal's room is there. This is the principal's room. Now let's move forward. Here school office is there, and all the official work is being done here. This is our school office. Now let's move forward. Here, this is our vice principal sir's room. This is the room of vice principal. Now, as we go further, here primary staff room is there. Teachers are doing the academic work and other work, and also taking online classes from here. Now, as we go further, here you can see classrooms are there along the corridor. These are the classrooms of primary students. Let's go fast. So, these are the classrooms. Along one side, there are classrooms of the corridor. This is the headmaster's room. So as we go further, here also classrooms are there. Display boards are also there on the wall. You can see the work done by the students are displayed here. Beautiful drawings and other articles. These are the classrooms. Here, let us see one classroom. Around 28 benches are kept inside the classroom. So 24 benches are kept. So 48 students can sit at a time. And camera is also there in the classroom, you can see. And the air can flow easily because many windows are there. So ventilation is proper in each classroom. So now as we go further, this side we will go towards the playground of the school. Here, this side activity room is there. Here one more gate is there to go out, and this gate leads us to the school playground. This is the school playground. This is the gate taking us towards the school playground, and it is a huge ground. The build-up area, or the area of the ground, is 5,000 square meters. Children are playing various outdoor games here, like volleyball, football. Basketball court is also there, you can see that side. So it's a big ground. Big and beautiful ground, you can see. Let's get inside. Get inside the school. Here, this is the area for indoor games activity. Here, table tennis table is kept, you can see. And this side, our music room is there. This is music room with various musical instruments are there. Our music teacher is sitting here.
Okay.
Learning some musical instrument. This side, here social science room is there. Then as we go further, computer lab is there. And this computer lab is also a big room with many computers, as you can see. So many computers are there, and the teachers are taking online classes here also. Our computer teacher is busy in some academic work. So again here classrooms are there. But this right side, separate boys and girls toilet is there. And drinking water facility is also there. This is for the small children, girls toilet and separate boys toilet. As we have seen earlier, these toilets are also spacious, neat and clean. So no need to go inside because we already have seen the toilets. And here pre-primary classes are there. So this is the classroom for prep students. So you can see the small benches and other activity materials are there. This is our prep teacher and this is pre-primary class. So let's go further. So now let us see the center area of the school. This is the assembly area with a stage at the center. So various functions, most of the functions are taking place here, along with other co-curricular activities are also going on here. So you can have a look of the whole school from here. Let's go to the first floor now. So this is the stage of the school, and from the back side stairs are there, and from the stairs we can go to the first floor of the school. Let's go. These stairs are used to go up to the first floor. As we go up, this side, left side, here again girls' toilet is there. Same like the earlier one. Spacious, neat and clean. With wash basins and separate areas. And drinking water facility is also there outside the toilet with water filter. And here this side, secondary staff room is there. Secondary staff room is there. Here our secondary teachers sit. Now as the classes are allotted now to maintain physical distance, they are not here. They are sitting at different places in the school taking online classes. Here this is a classroom and one of our teachers is taking class here. Let's go further. This is a storeroom, this side. And this is another classroom. Here also benches are there, around 24 benches with many windows for proper ventilation. So as we go further here, this side, on one hand we are having classrooms and another side the open area is there for proper ventilation. Now this is our maths lab. Our maths teacher is there. Then so many things are kept here in the maths lab. Students are coming here and doing different kinds of activities related to maths. Let's go further. Here, along the corridor, classes are there for secondary students. This side also classrooms. You can see the corridor is also wide enough for proper movement and easy movement of students. So let's go this side. Right side, this corridor here, sports room is there where other sports equipments are kept. Our sports teacher. Let's go further. Here also classrooms are there. Display boards are also there at the wall. So this is our school library. It is also a big room with many books, different kinds of books. Proper seating arrangement is there. Our library teacher. So racks are filled with books. Teachers, students, whoever can come and attain peace and knowledge at the same time here. Let's go further. Another corridor this side. Now this side SIT lab is there. So in this lab you can see the TV screen, chairs, separate chairs are kept for students, computer, then projector is there, whiteboard, and Spectron is there. This is Spectron. So the concepts are being taught here in a more interesting way with the help of ICT. Now next is our science lab. See, this is our science lab. Here all the essential materials are kept related to chemistry, physics, biology. Experiments are being done here by the teachers and students. Students acquire knowledge through experiential learning. Skeleton is also there. Then you can see the microscopes are kept. Then so many apparatus. It is also a big room, spacious, proper ventilation. Now see the specimens of different plants and animals are kept here. Inside one small room is there where the chemicals and practical records of the students are kept. Here you can see so many chemicals are kept for performing experiments. Apparatus are there. Physical records are also there. Students' physical records are kept here. Incubator is there. So it is a well-equipped lab, you can see. And here records are there. Stock registers are kept. Lab manuals are there. So now outside the science lab, as we go further, here also in front You can see the classrooms are there. And this side, right side, you can see again toilets. Girls and boys separate toilets are there. And drinking water facility, washing hands facility is also there. So no need to get inside again because already we have seen the toilets. So let's go further. Now we have covered the first floor. Now let's go to the ground floor again. To the staircase we'll go. This is the another staircase. One is on that side from where we have come up, and now we are going down from this staircase. Here upstairs, if you see, this goes to the terrace, but we are keeping the terrace locked for the safety purpose of students. So let's go down to the ground floor. Now we will have a look of the surrounding area of the school. Let's go out. Let's go out of the school from the main entrance. Before going to the main entrance, I want to tell you that we are having many emergency exits in our school. So this side, on the right side, you can see one emergency exit is there. So this is an emergency exit, but we will go from the main entrance gate outside. Emergency exit that place, and here before going out this side, our art room is there, art and craft room is there. Let's get inside. It is a newly constructed room, so still some preparations are left, but you can see beautiful crafts and artwork done by the teachers and students. Now before going out, I want to tell you that this side one boys toilet is there. When we entered, we have seen the girls toilet on the left side. Now right side boys toilet is there. So this toilet is also a spacious one with separate urinals are there, wash basin is there. Neat and clean. Go out of the school now to see the surrounding area of the school. On both sides of the main entrance gate, you can see beautiful garden. Different kinds of shrubs, herbs and trees are being planted here, which enhances the beauty of the school. So students are learning in a very beautiful environment, green environment, near the nature, close to the nature. See here, this side, beautiful gardens are there, vegetable garden, then flowering garden. Trees are also there. So students don't have to go farther to see different kinds of plants. They can see here only. Let's go to the back side of the school. And this back side you can see construction work is going on. So this work is going on for Science Park. The Science Park is being constructed here. Soon many gadgets will be brought and placed here, and the students residents of the colony will be able to experience joy and awareness towards science and nature. Here you can see a fruit garden is there. So many different kinds of fruit trees are there. Now it's rainy season, so fruits are not there, but so many different types of fruits come here and students see and enjoy. That's all about Atomic Energy Central School 2 Tarapur. At this place, we try to develop different learning environments in which the students can find the best way of learning for themselves. Thank you all for being with us. Thank you.